Hi guys, and welcome to our garage. We started our kitchen renovation project, and today we will be building the kitchen pull-out cabinet drawers. And today we will be showing how do we make them. I also show you which tools we bought to make this project possible, and what we will be using to assemble our drawers. Okay, first tool. I bought this DeWalt compound miter saw. We got a good deal at Lowe's for this miter saw. This is the DWS 715, so I really like this miter saw, so we'll be using it today. This is DeWalt table saw. The model is DWE 7485. And we tried it already, and I really like this saw. So we will be using it today as well. If you have this type of saw, you can use it, but it won't do a really precise cut for your project. So it is possible to work with this saw on this project, on this kind of project, but it will take a lot of time and it won't be that accurate as the table saw. So we will be using this plywood for our project. This is 2x4 plywood, and if you will be interested in which tools we're using, we will leave all the links in the description. Go and check it out. The size of our kitchen pull-out drawers will be 20 inch by 20 inch. So we will need to cut the base first, and then we will cut the sides. So we will look something like this. Also, we will need this crack tool. This is really handy tool for DIYers. So I tried it already, and it's really helpful. It's really good. So we will be using it for our project as well. And the first step to make our pull-out drawers will be to cut the base, which will be 20 by 20. Alright, here's our base, which we just cut it, and let's check the measurement. Perfect. Okay, our base is ready, so now we need to cut the sides. So the sides, this is the leftovers from this piece, so it's exactly the 20 inches. It will go like this. So we will be connecting our sides on the top of the base by using the pocket holes. The depth of our kitchen drawers will be approximately 4 inches, but you can make it as you desire. It could be 5, 6, 7 inches. Two sides of drawer will be 20 inches long, and the other two sides will be 19 inches long. Alright guys, let me show you what's included in this magic toolbox. So the tool itself, which has two holes to make the pocket holes. Then it has the screws. There's some tool thing, I don't know how to use it yet. So this is interesting tool. You can measure which depth of the pocket hole you need to make. Also by this tool you can adjust the drill size. Okay, let me show you how to use this tool. You place this tool on top of this side And then we will be using this clamp, which comes with the table, which I bought in the Sam's Club, which is a really nice table. Okay, we'll take a drill and drill bit, put it here, and connect it, of course. And now we're ready to make the pocket holes. I also want to mention that the pocket holes we will be doing on the 19-inch side. So we will be connecting 19-inch side to the 20-inch side. So guys, this is how the 19 inches side will look like. So we also did additional 2 pocket holes. So this way we will be connecting the sides to the base. Now we're taking the 20 inches sides and we will be making the holes which will help us to connect to the base. Alright, our pull-out drawer is ready to be assembled, but before that we will be sanding each piece. So we decided to do that before, but you can do it after, so we think it's more convenient for us. Okay guys, so all the pieces are sanded and now we're ready to assemble. For our assembly we also will be using this Ultimate wood glue. Also we will be using the 1-inch screws. We also need to change the drill to the tool, which we'll be using to screw in the screws. Okay guys, we're ready to paint the drawers. So first of all we vacuumed them, and for our drawers, pull-out drawers, we will be using polyurethane. This is clear satin. Alright guys, the pull-out drawers are ready, painted, assembled, and everything is ready for installation. And now we will be installing them into the cabinets. So let's see how the cabinet looks like before. We have some dishes, different kind of dishes here. We have the one shelf here, which we will be removing and installing the pull-out drawers. So each cabinet will have 4 pull-out drawers. Okay, we remove all the blades from the cabinet, and now we have a little problem here. After the brainstorm with Marina, we decided to leave the shelf here and do not remove it. The only reason why we thought we would need to remove it, it was the space between the shelf and the pull-out drawers. We thought that it won't be enough space for the different stuff in that drawer, but after we did some measurement, it looks good, it fits perfect, so we're leaving the shelf here, and let's start installation of the pull-out drawers. Alright guys, for our pull-out drawers we will be using the Euro slides. This is 22 inches or 550 millimeters, so this is what we'll be using for pull-out drawers. Alright guys, in one package we have 4 different pieces, I mean two of each. So this will go to the kitchen cabinet, and these 2 pieces are going to be attached to the pull-out drawer like this. So let's do this. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see what I have done here. Ta-da! So we have 4 pull-out drawers. Actually, it took me a lot of time because it was so complicated. But I did it. And this is how it looks like. Tomorrow we will continue the second part and we will show you the final result. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, the first part of our kitchen renovation is finally completed.
Yay! We did it! Hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully you like what we did. Leave the comment below and let us know what do you think about our new pull-out kitchen drawers. And if you guys like what we're doing with our kitchen renovation, please like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you for watching this video.
Bye!
See you next time.